So now I want to show you how you can draw a box. We'll be drawing a box on this page. This is the center point. If you bring down your cursor to this point, the point turns to green. When you remove it, it turns to yellow. Now I want to activate. If you take your cursor to this point, you will see something. Create a rectangle using 2 points from the diagonal corners. Specify the first point as the start of the rectangle. Specify the second point to define wide width and what height. So with this rectangle, we can draw square and we can draw rectangle of any or in respect to our what dimensions. Now and then note, whenever you are drawing, your drawing should start from the center point. This center, it will help you a lot. Now, okay, you can see this is you can as I activate my command from center by left click, you can see what happened. You can see I'm playing with it. Okay, you can see that this box turns blue. Your own may turn to any color, but it indicates that input any command into this box. Okay, let me input 76, and then to save your time, you press tab. Immediately you press tab, the command move away from this box and then goes to the next box, which is your what, your vertical. And let's say I input 76, then I will press enter. Then if I screw in, you can see this is my square. 76, 76, 76, 76. Okay, for me to be sure that this is 76, you see dimension. I click on dimension. I click on this line. I take it up. You see 76. Then I right click and cancel it. Likewise, I activate this line. You see 76. Then I right click and cancel it because I don't need dimension. If I need dimension, I will just leave it there. I will left click. I don't know if you are getting me. So now, after doing this thing, now I want to make it in a 3D form or in a 3D format. I will click on finish sketch. I click on finish sketch and see what happened. I scroll in to see my box. Then I will move down to 3D mode. You can see my 3D mode. I click on 3D mode. You can see extrude, revolve, sweep, and the rest. So I will click on extrude. Now, as I click on extrude, this appear. You can see this arrow indicate that if let's say I want it square now, I will now let's say I input 76 again because I want it square. You can see this arrow indicate that all that the shape fall to our left hand side. If I come again and I click on this very one, it indicates all my shape fall to the right hand side. If I click on this next one, it indicates half on the left, half on the right. If I click on the other one, which means I am to what, specify the dimension. You can see distance. You can see here distance A. You can see here distance B. So you input whatever dimension you want to input. But to me, I want it half on the right, half on the left. Then I click on it. Then I say okay. Our box has been formed. Then from there, you can press Ctrl X and then save it. Just try, because I don't want to save this kind of thing into my system. So you can press Ctrl X, and then if you know you can't press Ctrl X on your keyboard, go to File. You see File here. You can just see my cursor. See File. Then you click on File. If you click on File, you see Save. If you click Save, this will appear. Then you input whatever name you want to call it, and then press Save. But to me, I don't want to save it. Cancel it. So that is how you can make square. That is how you can make square and rectangle of anything you want.